Workshop Wednesday. What y'all doing, people? Got Eli film. Say hi, Eli.
Howdy.
No, turn around. They gotta see you.
They gotta see me?
Yeah, turn around. See? Now
Look, I got my Willie hat on.
now, did you go crooked ways
Is
and
it
then straight
crooked?
ways? So you
Yeah.
were now
Oh.
wait. Good. Just go sideways.
Yeah.
Now go around sideways.
Looky there.
See, Eli's
Got
getting
it figured out.
Workshop Wednesday. We rocking and rolling. Kind of a little different action. You'll see me working here. I'm working on a really cool bit, and I'm soldering concho together, and it's a stacked concho, and I have no idea what I'm doing, but it's all fun. Eli, you getting into this deal? So far so good. The week is good, huh? You seeing what I'm doing here?
Oh, yeah.
I was in Clifton last week, had a big old time. Motor mouthed it up. It was all good. I get this deal turned around and I'll show y'all what I got going here. I'm soldering a flower that I don't think I need to call it chased, but I reposate it. No, I need to call it chased, not reposate. See, I can't concentrate and talk at the same time. We'll get it. This is about the ugliest stage you can possibly look at something. That's all good. Patreon's doing good. Did good on Patreon. Laser's kicking. Man, I actually been cutting a few things out. And so if y'all need some custom cutting, I'm not going to have parts on inventory. You're not going to order my designs or nothing like that. But you can certainly, if you're looking for a little laser work, custom cutting, I'll be happy to help y'all out. See what we can do and get some stuff going. Yeah, I said Patreon's rocking and rolling. And look at there. It's green, Eli. That's what happens when you get it hot and the flux goes and all that business. You see all the stacked up deal? Got a little rope edge in there. We're gonna, watch this, we're gonna put it in the pickle. Makes a cool noise. That's that. All's good. Well, yeah, I got one more to do. See, there's it all chased up. And then here's the part here. Got pins soldered on the back. Stick that on there. All good. Spur Workshop. If you want in, you better hurry up. I think I got 4. Got one that's saying they're going to sign up soon. Maybe another. So 4 for sure. It's going to take 8 spots, and then we'll cut it off. But what else have I got? Got Patreon's going good. Got the Spur Workshop podcast. Did y'all like my hat last week? It was Cinco de Mayo. Eli brought me the hat. That's Eli's fault. I didn't have nothing silly like that. That's Eli's the silly one that brought that. But it was fun wearing that, and all was good. So y'all get on the podcast. We got a special guest that's going to pop out next Monday, and me and Carrie excited to have a visit with him. And he comes from the corporate world, and so as Carrie and I trying to make a living and share how to make a living with you guys, we'll be into that stuff pretty deep and heavy. And he'll do most of the talking, hopefully. And Eli, not you. You don't get to be on the podcast with Eli. Carrie and I will shut up, and away we go. Anyhow, all's well. I don't know. I hope y'all have a happy May, and we will be in touch next week. Adios.